Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more zombie matches in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. While to do that, communicate and coordinate. Use voice chat or text communication to coordinate with your team throughout the match. Stick together. Stay close to your teammates to provide mutual support and fend off zombies more effectively. Prioritize objectives. Focus on completing objectives such as powering up generators or activating switches to progress through the rounds. Utilize Mystery Box. Use the Mystery Box to obtain powerful weapons and equip to help you survive against stronger waves of zombies. Upgrade weapons. Use the Pack-a-Punch machine to upgrade your weapons for increased damage and effectiveness against zombies. Build and repair barricades. Build barricades to slow down zombies and repair them during breaks between rounds to maintain defenses. Manage points. Effectively earn and spend points on weapons, perks, and equipment that suits your playstyle and team strategy. Utilize perks. Purchase perks such as Juggernog, Speed Cola, and Quick Revive to enhance your survivability, reload speed, and revive capabilities. Monitor ammo supplies. Keep track of your ammo and replenish it regularly to avoid being caught off guard during intense waves. Stay mobile. Avoid getting cornered by constantly moving around the map and utilizing open areas to evade zombies. Use tactical and lethal equipment. Deploy tactical equipment like grenades and molotovs to clear out groups of zombies or create barriers. Watch your surroundings. Maintain awareness of your surroundings to anticipate zombie spawns and potential threats. Save a zombie. Leave one zombie alive at the end of the round to allow your team time to regroup, restock, and strategize. Revive teammates promptly. Prioritize reviving downed teammates to maintain full team strength and prevent being overrun by zombies. Utilize special weapons. Use special weapons like the ray gun or wonder weapons strategically for crowd control or boss fights. And that's how to win more zombie matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.